Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Do you have a Gmail account, an Outlook account, and an Amazon account? Doesn't matter if it's Prime or not. Well, guess what? You probably don't even know that you have drive space in the cloud that you're not using right now. Shocking, isn't it? Okay, I've ran into people that didn't know that they have all this space in the cloud, free of charge, waiting for them to use, and they just didn't know. I mean, they signed up for a Gmail account and they signed up for an Outlook account and they even have an Amazon account. And with the Amazon account now, you don't even have to be a Prime member to have this space. It's given to you just for signing up for an Amazon account. So let me introduce you to these drives right now. Let's slide over to the computer. Okay, so for the Amazon account, as you can see that you have 5 gigabytes worth of space that you're not using. And if you have the Amazon Prime account, as you can see, you get unlimited photo uploads. I know you like to use Amazon to get that free 2-day shipping and Prime Day deals and all of that, but there's other things in your Amazon account that you are entitled to. And if you have a Prime member, you get more entitlements. So use that 5 gigabytes of space for storing things. You might use it as what I call a digital flash drive, where you can put stuff in the cloud and retrieve it somewhere else. So that's Amazon. Now Microsoft Outlook gives you 5 gigabytes of space that you can also use just for having an Outlook account. You can even have more if you go for the Office 365, but you don't even have to pay anything. I mean, it's 5 gigabytes free, just like Amazon. You might have some important files that you don't want to get lost on your computer. And for me, I use a backup service to back up all my data, but it might be some important files that you just want to save in the cloud where you can retrieve it somewhere else. That's what all these spaces for. So use the Amazon 5 gigabytes. If you don't have an Amazon account, but you have a Microsoft Outlook account, use that 5 gigabyte space too. Now with Google decided to give you 15 gigabytes worth of space. That's including for your photos, your email, and file storage. But all of that is 15 gigabytes. So they give you all of that to, manage under those 3 things. But you can always buy more space. And the same thing for Outlook by Microsoft and the Amazon Drive. All of those drives are upgraded to more space. But just out the gate, they have a minimum of 5 gigabytes worth of space across them, 15 like I said for Google, and all the space is just sitting there waiting for you to use at any time, free of charge. And you can store your photos, like I say, your documents or whatever in the cloud, easy access. If you travel around with a flash drive and you keep losing them or they keep breaking on you, just use your digital flash drive. All you need is an internet access. And you can access these stuff from your phone. So even if you don't have a computer, you can just go to your phone, download it to your phone, and boom, there it is. You have the file with you. And you can transfer that file to somebody else if you need to by using it as an email attachment. But use that space that's available to you. It's free. So go ahead and use them. With all 3 of them combined, the 15, the 5 make 20. 25 gigabytes worth of space between those 3. And I have account across the board. The only one I really upgraded was the Google account because that's the one I use the most as far as communicate with my clients and file transfer. Amazon, I just used the little space they gave me, and the same thing with Outlook. But my main account is the Gmail account, and that's the only reason why I upgraded that one. Plus, that's where all my pictures and stuff get back up to, so I just want to make sure I have enough space in there. And what I mean by pictures from my phone, because my phone is connected to my Gmail account. So whenever I take a picture on my phone, it automatically gets uploaded to the cloud. And I just want to make sure I have enough space where I don't run out. I'm pretty sure Google will give me a warning when that time comes, but I just went proactive on that one, went ahead of the situation before it actually happens. Okay, so now let's talk about how you access these drives. So for your Amazon Drive, you want to sign in, and after you sign in, you click on your account to get that drop-down list of all the things that you have in your account. And on that list, you'll see your Amazon Drive. just like I'll have it circle here on this snapshot. Now for Outlook, to get to your Outlook OneDrive, after you sign into your web account to check your email, you'll see like 9 dots in the top left corner in a box form. Once you click on that, it's going to give you a drop down list. From that drop down list, you'll see a bunch of icons and you'll see your OneDrive on that list, just like how I have it circled in the snapshot. Now to access your Google Drive, at least the web version of it, you want to sign into your Gmail account. Once you sign into your Gmail account, you're going to see 9 dots close to where your picture or your icon is, or that avatar that's to the right. You'll see those 9 dots to the left of that. Click that and you will get a drop down list with a bunch of icons similar to Outlook, and in that list you're going to see your Google Drive. Once you click on the drive, then you got access to all your stuff and you can add stuff to that drive. And that's how you get to that drive. So the demonstration I just showed you is how to get to them using a web browser. But you can also access them from your mobile phone or your tablet, or even on your actual computer or laptop or wherever, by using the app. Because each one of these services have an app that you can just directly connect to. There's an app for the Amazon Drive, there's an app for the Outlook OneDrive, and there's an app for the Google Drive. So if you rather use the app, you just go to your favorite app store, download the app, and then once you sign in, you got access to all that stuff, and you can do the same thing just like the web version. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about in this video. I just want to let you be aware that there's drives out there that I probably don't know a lot of people are not using because they just don't know about it. They just go into the basic part of that service and they don't realize there's other hidden stuff to go with the service. A lot of hidden perks, I should say, if you know what I mean. All right. So if you didn't know about these drives, now you know. You can start using them for whatever benefit you want to use them for. Okay. Okay, so thank you for taking the time for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you. And if it did, go and give it a thumbs up. And I want to thank all my followers that follow me on this channel. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. I hope you will consider subscribing to the channel. Like, share, leave comments. I love answering your questions, so don't hesitate to ask me anything. All right? Okay, so have a good one, and I'll see you next time.